Alright folks, now this is a tennis shoe I have not seen since I was a young one. British Knights. Now I decided to look them up just one day and said, wonder if they're still making them. Of course they are. They just started remaking them in 2014 when the retro stuff started coming back. And I just ordered me a new set for summertime. Some nice bright white kind of British Knights. Bright white with blue, I hope. As long as they're the right ones that came. So let's unveil them. I haven't seen anybody else unveil the blue ones yet. Here we go. Ta-da! Now I haven't seen a pair of British Knights since I was a kiddo. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. I tell you what. There's the classic. They always had the coolest soles. They really did. They had really good looking shoes. I was surprised they disappeared like they did. It was an American brand, BK, and I can't wait to try them out. Let's get the other one out here. Oops. Okay, here's the other one out. Look at that shoe. Not too shabby. Pull out the stuffing. I just got regular classic old stuffing like everybody else used to do. Alright, well, let's go see if they fit. Hopefully they still fit. Hopefully they're the right size. These are the classic BKs. I tell you what, sorry for showing off my legs for this video. But for the price, you can't beat them for a retro shoe. 49 bucks, I don't think you're going to find a retro shoe in that price range that looks as good. Really don't. Now we'll see how they hold up. I hope over time they hold up, but we'll see. I don't have an original pair to cut apart to compare, see how they're built. If the originals were built out of leather or synthetic. These are definitely synthetic leather. They're not like my Nikes that are made out of more of a real leather. But for the price, I can't complain. They definitely feel and look like my Nikes a lot. And way cheaper. Talking 40 to 50 bucks is what you're gonna pay on Amazon probably for a pair of these. And all sorts of colors, all different designs. They got canvas ones and all sorts of cool ones. So hey, I'll give an update and I'll tell you if they're any good or if they're junk. But heck, so far they're winning me over. I'm gonna go walk the heck out of them around some car shows. But I haven't had British Knights for years. I just had an itch to scratch. I said, I wonder if they're still around. I was actually looking up kangaroo shoes, if you remember, with the pockets. But nobody remakes those, at least the vintage ones, at least in my size, of course. And I found these BKs, and I was like, oh, cool, BK. I like British Knights back in the day. It's an American-made company. And these are definitely made in China or somewhere. But it was originally an American company. So, anyways, hope you had a good one. And we're going to go put these through the paces and go put some miles on them. See how they hold up for 49 bucks. Why not? Have a good one, folks. See you soon.